Alright, we're in the barn now. After the storm, the lightning hit the tree, and Lily's trying some of her new hay with Yoda. And she likes it. And since it was pouring rain for 25 miles, it's a good thing that Tractor Supply has this new hay in a bag. So I thought I'd try it. The alfalfa grass. They usually eat the high fiber hay right there. It's kind of dark in here tonight. But I thought I'd give this stuff a try. And that looks good. Yeah. So, thank God they put it in the bag. Otherwise it would have been ruined. I'm shocked my feed is still good. But Lily likes it, don't you? She couldn't wait for me to open the bag. Nobody else has tried it yet, just Lily. Oh, everybody's scared. It was not a good thing. I'm just so glad everybody's okay. Hi, girls. Hi, girls. We're going to get you your new hay, too. They ate all their food. Lily, you still got some food left in your bowl. There's Sanford. He's really scared. Poor Sanford. I know. Ooh, no, I don't have any treats. I know, baby. He's terrified. But he was my very abused horse, so stuff like this really gets him. So he'll be kind of scared for a couple days. And good old Paige, he doesn't get as scared. Do you, Paige? Do you, baby? Yeah, but it was pretty scary, wasn't it? I know, I don't have any treats. It's dark in here right now. So, and there's Hershey. Yeah, how you doing, Hershey? I'm just glad everybody's okay. So, everybody's good. Lily's good. Aren't you, Lily? Poor Lily. It was scary, huh? Poor Lily. Poor little Lily. Yeah. I know. But it's okay now. It's okay now.